Hey guys, today we got a 23-inch ARE DCU contractor cap. It's a 2015 to 2022 Colorado Canyon, Chevy Colorado GMC Canyon extended cab with the 6-foot bed. White in color, decent shape. It's been worked out of, but it's not in horribly bad shape. It used to have a ladder rack on it. Looks like they've taken it off. Maybe they didn't need it. New guy, whoever owned it before, didn't need it. But brackets are there if you wanted to put one on, but as of now, it's not there. A couple scuffs through there. Has some dings and dents on the roof here. Kind of just see them there. Dings and dents through there. Nothing, no holes, no real major damage. Scuffs, some paint wear marks here in the door. Not too damaged on the doors at all. Inside opens up, has toolboxes in it, has a shelf, one single shelf on this side. Door shuts, locks. Front is a picture window in the front. It's got some wear marks, scuff marks and stuff, just dirt mostly, just from age, from being used. Some more scuff marks right there by the window. Other than that, it don't look bad at all. Well, you can see the black marks there. Picture window. Looks like a scuff mark. It looks like it had some adhesive. Probably had a sticker on it, maybe a wrap or something on it. Ladder rack brackets. Some more scuff marks and through here. Same thing on the other side. The top's got some dings and stuff in it, but no holes. Paint looks good through here. Dings and dents from normal use. A couple of little dings right there, and there's another one right there. Door opens up on this side. Allows access to the toolbox. This one's got a big bin in the back and then a couple shelves here in the front. It's been wore out. It's been used, so the paint's gone on the bottom. Whatever they hold in here wore the paint off. The doors look good. Shut the door. Latches down. The back is a full door, double doors. Removes the tailgate off this. Like I said, you can see here, it probably had some stickers on here. It kind of looks like the adhesive is kind of whatever that is, like the adhesive is still left on there. Not dinged up and banged up really bad. I've seen these worse than this one is by far. A little bit of a scuff mark by the window there. Said here you got some scuff marks at the very top, and then whatever that is. Down this side has it's a little bit of corrosion around the paddle handles. That's pretty common on those. It's got some black duct tape on there. You can see, looks like they had duct tape wrapped over the top of here. I don't know, maybe the seal. I'm not sure why the duct tape's on there. But if it needs a new seal, it's easy enough to get. Doors open up, both sides open up. Allows access to inside. The toolboxes, you can see those there. Because it's been worked out of, you can kind of see there's a lot of scuffs and stuff, what have you, that's been worked out of. Same on this side. Nothing that affects the ability of it to make you money. Serial number is right there. So it's built specifically for a 2008 Chevy Colorado extended cab short bed. It's a DCU 23 inches high, so it should be any Colorado Canyon with the 6-foot bed. Here's the front window. Door shuts back up, latches there, closes here, latches. There we go. Latches like so. So there it is. Got an ARE 23-inch Contractor, DCU Contractor. Fits the 2015 to 2022 Chevy Colorado GMC Canyon with a 6-foot bed. Below is a link to this unit on our website. So you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is. Purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up. That can all be done from that link there. There's also a link to our website in general. So if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, lift kits, what have you, that can all be purchased from us as well. If you're looking for something specific for your truck, certain model, certain style, certain color, and you're kind of waiting for something to come in, you want to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date to what's coming in. We upload to YouTube on our website as inventory comes in, so that'll help you stay up to date on that. As with all our truck caps, they are local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.